Hey guys, it's Larry, and today I am bringing you some happy mail. That is literally happy mail from Happy Planner. Your box of happy has arrived. If you are not aware, they are having a big sale on their website. I had never purchased from them directly before, but I've been longing for the Deluxe planner covers for quite a while. And I was looking at their site the other day. These planner covers were $10 each, $9.99. So I got two. I got a large and a classic size. Let's open it up. Let's see what they look like. I'm so excited. But the pricing was just crazy. I mean, seriously, these were, $30 everywhere else. And I think these colors are on clearance. There was a limited variety of colors. You might be a little bit disappointed because mine are both the same color. I'll show you when we get there. But again, $9.99. I couldn't even get them from Michael's for that price with a coupon or anything. I don't know if you've shopped for them, if you've seen the pricing. $9.99 is a very, very great deal. So let's see what they look like. Choose happy. So what do we have? Hey babe, happy looks good on you. It's a sticker. Super cute. Choose happy. Postcard? Nope. Oh. 10% off your next purchase. Oh, I did get two different colors. Oh my god, I totally forgot what I got. Oh, look. Here is the classic Happy Planner size, and this is white, but it's called something else. What do they call this? Hold on, I'll find the name of it. It's beautiful. Oh, I like it. Okay, this is called Snow Dots. Let's see. Oops, where does this go? There we go. Let's see me not cut my fingers off, please. There we go. Okay, I'm going to move the box out of our way. Hold on. Wow. That's actually really cool. I was worried about white because I am pretty messy, very klutzy. I see there's already a little tiny mark there, but I'm hoping I will be able to keep this clean. Ooh. Ooh, I like it. So I've never had a deluxe cover before. I've only had the hard covers that are laminated, and ones that I have made myself. I've made custom covers. So of course I'll keep that on, but I just thought this would be nice maybe for traveling and moving around and just to keep it protected. I don't know if it's going to make it bulky or not. Can you see the pattern on there? Snow dots. Very pretty. I'm sure it's faux leather. I don't know if it even says. Made in China. That's always disappointing to read, but it is what it is. Okay, so let's put the planner in it. Okay, so here is one of my current planners, and this is the custom cover that I made. It is foiled with 3 different colors and laminated. There's the back, which is not foiled, just laminated. And let's put it in. Okay, it's a little tough. There we go. Ooh! Oops. Hope I didn't shake the camera too much there. There it is. Look at that. Very nice. I like it. I really, really like it. So we'll see how long it lasts on my desk like this, or if I choose to only put this on when I'm traveling. We'll see. But I'm going to give it a shot. So that's that one. Let's see the second one. Okay, here is box number 2. I know there's a terrible glare there. We're going to open this right now. This is the large Happy Planner size, and this is just a plain black, which is exactly what I wanted. And let's see how it feels. Come on. Very nice. Comes with a nice cardboard holder. Yeah, this is nice. Wow. So it feels exactly like the first one. It's just, of course, larger, but I like it. It's huge. Very, very, very big. Feels really nice, well made. I like it's got a lot of texture right here. This is the smooth faux leather feel. This is more of a textured feel. And of course, I don't know if I pointed out on the first one, there's pen holders, which is always nice. Pockets. All right, let's put our planner in and see what it looks like. Here is my current large Happy Planner. See how it goes. Yeah, I like this, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait, it's not in all the way yet. Hold on. Let's keep working it. There we go. Wow, that goes in a long ways. Okay, look at that. Sorry, I think I keep bumping the camera. Oh my gosh, I love it. Look at it. $10, $9.99. Are you kidding me? This is amazing. I am so pleased with this deal. They had probably like 10 different color options. They had the spring green, which I was super tempted to get because that would match my office. But I wanted to stay neutral because quite honestly I wasn't sure how I was going to like them. So I now have 2 new Happy Planner Deluxe covers. Check out their website, look for their clearance items, and you will find the mini Happy Planner covers were maybe $7.99, but the classic and the big were both $9.99 on clearance. I ordered these on the 6th. Today is the 11th. It did take a full week to get here, but that's fine. You know, I wasn't in any rush. I've been waiting for months and months and months to decide on if I wanted a deluxe planner cover, and you know, if I did, what color and what style. So I had no problem waiting a week for these. But go to their website, check it out if you're interested in getting a cover, and catch something before they're all sold out. They are on clearance. All right? Happy shopping. Thank you so much for being with me here today. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the bell for notifications. I have a huge giveaway coming up because we just hit 100 subscribers. I'm so excited. I'm putting that giveaway together for you now this weekend. I'm planning it all out. It'll be happening in the next couple of days. And that's it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. Be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye, guys.